In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can pass multiple parameters to a print function and use it to print multiple variables all in one method itself. So till now we have seen over here, like at line number 3, we have a print method which just prints the Python version, and then we have another print method which prints the message. So what we'll be doing over here, let's have another variable. Let's have it as a numeric x50, and now I have to print that along with this message. So what I'll do is I'll format it in this way using the F as the formatter, and then inside single quotes I'll be putting this message inside curly braces, and then another variable which I need to print. I can do it in this way, and let's save this and run it. Here you can see it says hello world and then 50. So F is basically a format method which is available with type string. So here, if I have to do this, I can do the same using the format method, and the format method basically works in this way. So we have, let's say, hello string and then a placeholder, and we can make use of the format over here, and let's include something like 20, and then use this as a message over here. So another print line I will take on top. I'll write print, and now I'll just print the variable message like we had it earlier. Save this and let's run it now, and there you can see it is doing the exact same thing, but now we are doing it via the string format method. And this over here you can see is much more beneficial whenever you are making use of a print method, even though it is also doing the same thing, formatting the strings. So that was string formatting in Python.